What's up guys, Lazy Money UK here. I'm just cashing out £30 worth of MasterCards from one of my fake Swagbucks accounts. In doing so, I also unlocked a 55p birthday bonus. You're probably wondering how I've gotten away with making money on multiple fake accounts for years.
How are you doing this?
It all started when I referred a couple of friends to Swagbucks, who later decided that for whatever reason, they don't like to receive free money into their bank accounts.
That is mental!
I didn't want to see these verified accounts with 10% lifetime referral bonuses go to waste. That's why I commandeered the accounts, with the owner's permission, and changed the email addresses to some of my own. It's no secret that Swagbucks allows households to operate more than one account, on the condition that they're registered to real people. Even though the accounts were created at different residential addresses, Swagbucks can't prove that these people aren't visiting my house to use my internet connection. You might be wondering if you need to have more than one device to use different accounts. There's nothing in the rules to state that multiple users aren't allowed to share a device, meaning I'm able to log in and out of each account freely on both my laptop and phone. The only time you need separate devices is if you want to repeat those mobile game offers on your other accounts. Each game will only count the first time it's downloaded on a device. So what's the optimal earning strategy when it comes to using multiple accounts? I find that repeating all the little daily tasks on several accounts can take too long to be worth it. That's why I tend to use a hit and run strategy where I go for the lowest hanging fruit. By that I mean the high value, low effort opportunities. This includes lower tier Swago rewards, search wins, especially the collector's bills which are worth more, birthday bonuses, team challenge prizes, and special promotions like this £10 bonus from Money Saving Expert. Will I get banned from Swagbucks now that I've publicly admitted to using fake accounts? Maybe, but I'm counting on Swagbucks staff to continue being negligent and uncaring. I think I deserve a like and subscribe for putting myself at risk trying to help others, don't you? Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I'll see you again soon with some more lazy money making tips.